What's up, team? It's Tierra B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, I'm excited to be trying a new edge control because, honey, if you know, you know, edges do not be wanting to be controlled. So here I am with the Style Factor Edge Booster, and I'm hopeful because it was $8.99, and yeah, I am just not convinced that it's gonna work, but I've seen lots of natural girls use this, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. I have used a lot of edge control in my past as a natural girl, and I am just not convinced that any of them are gonna just hold my edges down. I mean, my edges are wild. They just do what they want to do. They like to curl, and even when I think I got them held down, they pop back up. So I'm gonna put this one to the test. I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges with you guys now, and I'm gonna come back later, hours later, and just let you guys know if it actually holds my hair. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first of all, they made sure you wasn't about to be sticking your little fingers in it at the store because it is sealed, honey. But like I said, my local beauty supply store, I'm sure you can find it in other places. Although I was not able to find it at Walmart for some reason. So okay, so I just used the eyebrow archer to get it open. Okay, extra seal. I ain't never seen that in edge control before. Maybe this is top quality. Okay. Uh-oh. It's giving jam, y'all. No. I don't know. Ooh, it smells good. Hold on. It smells amazing. Okay, I got the pineapple scent. So it says Stronghold Water-Based Pomade, and it's pineapple scent. And it is a Stronghold High Shine with natural argan oil. And the hold power, y'all, look at this. The hold power says 5. So let's see. Okay, so I got my little edge brush here. And I'm just gonna brush out my edges first. My edges were previously moisturized, like before I had this headband on. So they're soft enough. I need to clip these edges because what is going on here? Anywho, child. Okay, so again, it's giving jam. Oh, okay, it's not as thick as jam. I was surprised that I was able to just dig my hand right down in there. My jam, it might be about the same. It might be a little looser than jam. My jam seems to be a little bit thicker, especially the red one. But so we're just gonna go for it. Lay it on. Okay, first application. Okay, at first glance, application seems alright. I mean, you see how stubborn my edges are though? Like even right here, it's like, yeah, you laid me down, but I don't want to lay down. Okay, so. Okay, and I'm being a little generous with this because I really want to see if it's going to hold my hair. And let you guys know if it's worth spending your $8.99 to use it or not. Alright, so that's that. So I'm going to go ahead and just see if it allows me to shape it. This part of my hair right here, this front line here, is very stubborn. So it usually doesn't even want to lay down. So the fact that it's laying down is actually pretty good. Okay. Let me see, y'all. Hold on. It doesn't set right away. Let's see what kind of edges I want to do. These are going to be a little dramatic, so let's just, if we're going to do it, we're going to do it. Hold on. Okay, I'm using the comb, side of it. Okay, we're going to come back down this way. I'm able to freely move my comb through it while it's also holding, which is interesting. It's kind of like a little finger wave look. Okay, so far, I ain't gonna lie, I'm liking it so far. Ooh, that's cute. And then I mess it up. Okay, let me see. burns. Sheesh. Okay, that's more than edges. Like, what are we doing here? Okay, I'm not gonna do that. We're just gonna pull this part back. Get the other side. Okay, it's been sitting for a bit, so see what happens over here. Now that it's been sitting, let's see if I can, yeah, I can maneuver it pretty well. Same thing and grab the headband and pull it up a little bit. And then back. Ooh, cute. Okay. So, yeah, for my first application with this stuff, I am impressed. Now, the key is if it actually holds up for a few hours. So, check it out now, get a good look at it. I'm even gonna give it a fair chance, y'all. I'm gonna even try to set them and everything. So I'm gonna put this band right across the top and set it. Okay, I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna go on about my day for a few hours and I'm gonna come back and let y'all know if this stuff really holds up. So stay tuned. Oh, wow. That's nice. Okay, so I accidentally left this on for about 2 hours because I got super busy with the kids and stuff, but it's set. So I'm gonna go ahead and just let this be. Like, but they ain't moving. Like, I don't know. I don't know. They may have done something here with this style factor because it's looking real good. It's feeling good. It's set. But we're gonna see. I'm gonna come back after some hours of it not being tied up, and then we'll get the truth if it starts to lift. So yeah. All right, now it's been a few hours, and I am back to tell you guys that the edge booster is a real one. Okay, my edges are still very much so laid. I have even switched into my little head wrap for the night. And I'm calling it because I was doubting them, and my bad, because I don't have a lot of faith in edge controls. So anywho, there you have it. If you're looking for a good edge control, then go ahead and get you some of the edge booster from Style Factor. I definitely feel like it was worth the $8.99, and I will continue to use it whenever I want to lay my edges, because I mean, like, we here, okay? Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Tiara B, and I am out.